Hey, Jeff Keen here, and Jessica's coming along for a ride too. I just got Tesla software update 2024.33.35, and this includes FSD Supervised 12.5.6.3. Now, this is the first FSD Supervised that includes end-to-end highway with the neural nets. And it has updated speed profiles where you can select a percentage of how much faster you want to go than the speed limit. Not exactly sure how this works, but let's try it out. Okay, here I had to plot it with the accelerator before I could engage FSD.
Now turn left onto Smith Street.
Okay, this is a tough street here. Pretty blind corner. It stopped naturally, pulled out, looked both ways. Okay, so it's accelerating to about 5 miles over the speed limit. And we're going into the school zone, so I'm going to slow down. Let's see what it does here when I re-engage.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Colchester Avenue.
It's still holding 5 over the speed limit, even in the school zone.
Now turn left onto Colchester Avenue.
Okay, another tough corner here. A lot of traffic coming. It's pulling out to the look. There's a little bit of blockage here. Nice and smooth. Okay, let's see what it does on this country backward as far as speed. It's doing 5 over, seems pretty reasonable. I think they're probably doing more like 10 over here. Let me see if I can increase the speed with the thumb wheel. So it says 65 max, doing 40, it's doing 46. See the icon for vision-based monitoring even with sunglasses. Okay, we're heading into a 50-mile-an-hour zone. Let's see what it does here. It's doing a little bit under the speed limit. Switch it to hurry, see what that does. Okay, so now it's accelerating, which I would say way too fast. Let's do it 15 over. Go back to standard. cars up ahead. Okay, re-engage. Okay, there's a tow truck pulling out. Let's see how it reacts. Go back to hurry. It's going under the speed limit right now. To a stop. Let's see how it does this. Coming in a little hot. Definitely is applying the brakes there. Okay, green light, let's go. What do you think, Jess? Pretty smooth? Accelerator. Let's see. If I accelerate to 51. Okay, someone's backing out. Okay, so it's working a little different here. You have to use the accelerator to prod it to increase speed. But you set the maximum speed with the thumb wheel. The previous versions, you could get it to accelerate with the thumb wheel. Alright, I'm going to end the country road portion here. It's behaving as expected, and then we're going to get on the highway. That's where the real changes are.
Jessica, how's the ride back there? Pretty smooth? Yeah, better than if I drive, right?
Got some kind of construction going on here. I'm definitely taking over. Okay, I'm engaging full self-driving. Now this is the first time it's using end-to-end neural nets for the highway. Let's see what the differences are. Okay, it's turning. Jessica's nervous, but it's doing a pretty good job. Okay. Again, nothing coming. Looks good. All right, I'm gonna end it here. Okay, so there's a 4-way intersection coming up ahead, and I want to see how it handles this also. And I also have this.
Feet, turn left onto East Hampton Road.
I also have this big truck in front of me that says stay back 300 feet. So I'm gonna engage now. Staying back pretty far. I'm not sure if
Now turn
FSD
left
can
onto
read that.
East Hampton
But...
Road.
Okay, we got a red. Okay, busy 4-way intersection. Now I'm still on the free FSD trial, which is nice. I got to check out this new version. I think I have about 15 days left unless they extend it again. Okay, we got a green. Truck's moving. Got an arrow. Nice. Very smooth. It was a protected intersection, but still did a nice 30-mile-an-hour speed limit here. This is patrolled pretty heavily. I don't want to go too much over that. Looks good. Very smooth. Gradually accelerating. Let's see until it comes up to the speed change up ahead. Alright, good. So, pretty natural speed changes with this version. And highway with end-to-end neural networks seemed to work really well. Not a very advanced situation I was in, but it seemed very smooth and natural. So there you go. FSD 12.5.6.3 with end-to-end neural nets on the highway. I didn't notice a huge difference, but it seemed very smooth. Seems to be progressing from the previous versions even more. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.